This video will show you how to use the standardize function for question 3 in self-assessment number 9. We're still using the information about the birth weights of babies at the hospital, where the mean is 112 ounces and the standard deviation is 15 ounces, and these birth weights are normally distributed. In part A, we're asked how many standard deviations from the mean is a baby with a birth weight of 101 ounces. I have an area set up here to organize my information as shown to you in the lab manual. So the data point I'm interested in for part A is this birth weight of 101 ounces, so I'll type that in. When you're asked how many standard deviations from the mean, in this case the baby is, what you're being asked to do is to standardize that value, or in other words, to calculate the z-score. So we're going to do that next. I start with equals, and I'm using the standardize function, so I start typing that. I can double click to select. The first argument is our data point we're interested in. You could type again the value 101, or you can reference the cell where you put that information. Comma, next we need the mean. I'll reference where that information is. Comma, the standard deviation. Close the brackets and press enter. And we get negative 0.73. This is already formatted to 2 decimal places. If yours isn't, just make sure you adjust the decimal places so your z-score is 2 decimal places. And then you can use the same steps to answer part B and part C. So looking at how many standard deviations from the mean a baby with a birth weight of 130 ounces is, and a baby with a birth weight of 112 ounces. The steps will be exactly the same. When you're done, you can interpret those answers, remembering that a negative value tells us that the baby is below the mean. So a baby with a birth weight of 101 ounces is 0.73 standard deviations below the mean. A positive value indicates that that baby has a birth weight greater than the mean. Go ahead and finish parts A, B, and C for this question, and remember to insert a text box with your final answers.